Greetings, friends and colleagues from the trenches here at Intelligentics, where intelligence meets tactics. I'm Tom Vanderwell. Just this past week, the Intelligentics research team delivered results of a survey that was commissioned actually by our client's board of directors. Now, they really wanted to know their team members' thoughts and experiences as it related to the company's corporate culture. Employee surveys are quite common, but in many cases, they're conducted internally in a haphazard DIY project. And this is fine if all you want to know is what color people would like to paint the break room. But internal do-it-yourself surveys create the likelihood of all kinds of bias in the way that questions are asked, the way the survey is administered, and the way that results are both tabulated and reported. In the data we presented to our client, Intelligentics was able to provide the role of independent, objective third party as we developed the questions, administered the survey, and interpreted the results. In this case, we found significant opportunities for our client to improve the corporate culture and cohesion. While there were a number of significant issues to be addressed, data also revealed significant opportunities for our client to turn things around and get employee engagement on the right track. There are a number of cheap DIY options for conducting employee satisfaction surveys, but please don't let do-it-yourself surveys make a monkey out of you when your corporate culture and the integrity of your business is at stake. Invest in getting objective intelligence that provides a tactical blueprint for improvement here at Intelligentics, where intelligence meets tactics.